Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem statement, that is to sum. It's problem number 167 of medium category. So here we have given a sorted input array, and what we have to do, we just have to find the target. So if you will see here, the output is 1 and 2 because if you will sum up the first and second element, you will get total 9. So we are returning first and second. So this is the element. Similarly, in another example, if you will see, the target is 6, the input sorted array is 2, 3 and 4. So if you will do the summation of first and third element, then you will get total target is 6. So we are returning 1 and 3. Similarly, you have another example where you have given -1 and 0. So if we will sum up these two elements, it will remain -1 only. So we are returning 1 and 2. So these are the examples we have which we have to check. So let me quickly jump to the board and we'll discuss what approach we have to follow in order to solve this problem statement. Okay, so here we have given array that is 2, 7, 11 and 15. Okay, and the target is 13. So what we have to do, the first step is we just have to add the index over here. So index starts from 0, 1, 2 and 3. In order to solve this problem statement, I am just going to use two pointers. So two pointer, the first pointer will start from first index. So let's consider this one as I. And the second pointer will start from the last index. So let's consider this one as J. It means the value of I is 0 and the value of j is 3 in this example. Now what we have to do, we have to declare one variable called sum, and we will initialize this value as 0 in starting. Now what we have to do, ith position value and jth position value we will just sum up. So the sum will come as total 17. 15 plus 2, that is 17. Now we'll see if this value, if the value of sum is greater than target. So in this case it is greater. So what we have to do, as we know, like this array whatever we have, right, this is in sorted way. So we just have to decrement the value of j. So j will come at this position. Okay, now what we have to do, now we will see what value we have. So 11 plus 2, so in this case it is 13. So 13 is equal to the target. So what we have to do, we just have to return the value of I and j by doing +1. So this is the approach we are going to follow in order to solve this problem statement. Let me quickly jump to the LeetCode compiler and we'll write a code for the same. Okay, so first thing we need is two pointer. The first pointer will initialize by 0th index and another pointer will initialize by length -1. So it will be numbers dot length -1. This condition will keep on moving while the value of I is less than j. Now I'm declaring one variable here, sum, and what we will do, we will just sum up these values. It means numbers of I plus numbers of j. Okay, so total value will get as sum. Now by any chance, if the sum value is equal to target, then what we have to do, simply we just have to return the value of I and j by adding 1. So it will be return new int. We have to return integer array, right? So it will be new int, and what we will do, simply we will return the value of I and j by adding 1 value. Okay, in the very next example, as we have discussed, if the value of sum is greater than target, it means we have to reduce the value, right? In that case, we will decrement the value of j. In another way, if the value of sum is less than target, then in that case, we will simply increment the value of I. And at the end, what we are going to do, we will simply return -1. If it doesn't match, if the total target is not present in the given array, then what we will do, simply we will return new int -1. So it will be -1 -1. So let me execute this code and we'll see whether it's working properly or not. Okay, so all the three test cases passed successfully. Let me submit this solution. Okay, so all 24 test cases passed successfully, and this is the approach we follow in order to solve this problem statement. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.